In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brake pad wear sensor on this BMW 328i. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel. Use a 17mm socket. Take the lug bolts out. Before you take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel and grab the wheel, slide it off. We're going to remove the brake pad wear sensor. You can use some needle nose pliers. These are just hose pliers. Just grab the sensor there and then pull it out. And where the bleeder is, there's a little retainer. Just pop that off, slide that aside. Remove the wire from the retainers. You just pop those to the side. You can slide the wire out. I'm just going to use a pick and release the clip. Slide the wire out. Do the same on the other one. Using a 8mm socket, remove these screws. Some on the side here. Using a 10mm socket, take these nuts off. Grab the cover, slide it back a little bit. Just pop that out. Push down on the tab and disconnect the connector. Now I'll connect the connector, line that up. Now we're going to push that in that retainer. Put the cover back in place. Put the nuts on. Snug those down. And get these screws started. Snug those down. Route the wires where they need to go, under these clips, and lock them down. Route the wire next to these clips. Lock those down. Take the wire for the brake pad sensor and go under the brake bleeder cap. And slide it into the brake pad. And just push it in. That's good. Take the wheels, line the holes up. Get the lug stud started. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.